Hey, what's going on, guys? We're here today on another short video on how to make a inexpensive repair on a door that is hard to close due to a hinge becoming loose. If you're interested, keep on listening. So first, why is the door rubbing? Well, the hinge came loose. How did the hinge become loose? Well, one, it either became loose at the door side or on the actual door frame. There's multiple reasons why a door can become loose, whether tugging, uneven wear, the frames pretty much shifting because of the age of the home, or just with all that wear and tear, all that usage, swinging and closing, the door itself puts pressure on the hinges if not properly aligned or installed. So it causes the screws to, within time, even if it's with the distance of a hair, shifting in and out, will eventually cause the self-made thread on the wood that was made by the screw upon installation to slowly rub out to the point that it just becomes a hole with a screw in there. So real quick, there's only one tool that you're gonna need, and probably half a penny that you're going to be spending on a toothpick, if that, and even that's expensive for a damn toothpick. So those are the only two tools you're going to need: drill and a toothpick. Of course, the drill does need to have the proper bit that matches the type of screw that it may have, if the screw is still usable. If not, of course, you're going to have to acquire a screw longer, whatever, right? So common sense stuff. So let's check out how we knock out this little task. Okay, so let's go over to the roof. All right, guys, this door, for some reason, whenever we try to close it, it rubs, so we have to like pull it towards that way, towards my left, and that's the only way we can actually get it to close. The problem is that the hinge itself has been coming loose. I'm just going to show you guys a quick little trick that you can do using the same screws and a toothpick. What you want to do is get one of these screws out and then insert one of these toothpicks right in the hole where the screw originally was. Once there, just want to break it, and now we're just going to insert the same screw back in there. And voila. With that, just repeat the process for the other uneven holes, and you should have pretty much everything set up. Now that you saw how to do that, or now that you witnessed how to do that small little trick, you do the same thing to the bottommost screw in real time. And now for the test. Closes a bit better now. but in the long run, this door has been painted maybe 100 times, and the door frame itself has probably been painted just about the same. So all we're gonna do is just see what next project comes around where I have to take this door and the door frames off and see what goes from there. But as far as that goes, this is the easiest way to fix a door that's coming loose from a hinge. All you need is a toothpick, 1 or 2 of them, just to pretty much the drilled out hole. You're just putting a toothpick in there to cause more, to cause a little more of a fill in the hole. So when the screw does go in, it actually grips and causes the actual riveting in the screw to actually grab something solid rather than burred out wood. So plain and simple, right? All right. This is a quick tip from me to you guys. Catch you guys next.